Yo, what up, guys? Scotty Rock here. It's August 11th here in 7B Queens, New York. And I'm taking a look at my in-ground fig trees out front. And the birds are killing it in my figs. So I don't know if you can see this, but I put bird netting around my fig trees. The two in the front, the white Marseilles, I put the bird netting because they're really all starting to ripen at the same time. Like, they're just exploding, these white Marseilles. So I want to make sure that I get them. So, and at the birds, I'm with this bigger, larger purple variety tree. I just been putting organza bags on them, but it's loaded as well. And just trying to keep on top because I like the purple figs a lot. And I'm excited too because this is my Stella fig, and it looks like I got a Stella ripening right here, and they're very big figs, and they sort of taste like peaches to me, my personal opinion though. But I'm doing an air layer on him, and he's got a lot of roots, but it's got that little Dunkin' Donuts thing, it's got a lot to support. So even this one up here is attached to that, but I don't like the wood. I might cut it down. But yeah, I've been just putting the, like stringing it down. Had a lot of figs half eaten with holes in them and stuff, so I know it's the birds. So, it's Desert King. I'm gonna cut every fig tree down to about like 2 feet off the ground, and out here, because it's not my property, but that's the only one that I'm gonna leave up, and they grow back fine. The same thing, they was with sticks about 2 feet, and they got figs, and they're very abundant with fruit. So as long as you you know, you feed them and you do them well, they'll treat you well. Today is probably the last day I'm going to feed my fig trees in the pots with compost tea, because it's the end of the season. I don't want to feed my trees no more, and I'm going to start getting them ready to lignify, turning that green into wood, brown. So I'm going to be working on that now. It's the next stage after picking all these great figs. But yeah, guys, I put up some bird netting out here because they just killed me this morning. Like 15 figs off all the trees all together. So that was a lot of figs that I could be eating. But yeah, hope you're having a good growing season. All right, peace out, yo.